Hello students, in this video we are going to see the seventh experiment, that is Bayesian belief network. See the program, we have to construct a Bayesian belief network for a medical data and use this model to demonstrate the diagnosis of heart patients. Okay. First we have to import this BasePy. Normally it is not available in Jupyter Notebook. Separately you have to install. Before starting this, we will see what is Bayesian belief network. See, this is Bayesian belief network. So we know about conditional independent assumption, right? So normally any Bayes model will take conditional independent assumption. How it differs with BBN? In BBN, set of conditional independent assumption is taken. It means this parent node is conditionally independent on this child node. So if this is a parent node, these are independent to this node. So that conditional independent assumption is taken for Bayesian belief network. Now we will see the program. So in program we are importing the base Python and all these things, NumPy and CSV we are importing. Now we are importing a medical data here. First we will see the medical data set. It is heart disease data set. The last column is target and remaining columns are concepts. And you know these are the concepts. How many variables we have? 6 variables we have. So we have these 6 are concept and the last one is target. What are the 6 variables? That 6 variables are age, gender, family history, diet, lifestyle, cholesterol. Based on these, what is the probability for heart disease? Whether the person will get heart disease or not, yes or no. Like that we are going to predict by using Bayesian belief network. So here some sample data are taken. So these are the sample data stored in a CSV file, heart disease data.csv. So that file we will use in our program. Now these are the 6 variables. We will see the category of all the variables. So age, first one is age. Age is having 5 categories, 0 to 4. So super senior, senior, middle age, youth, teen. And to use this category we are having an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is declared 0 for super senior, 1 for senior, like that. And gender we have 2 categories, male and female. So we will use 0 and 1. Family history, yes, they had earlier they had this disease, yes and no, 0 and 1. Diet we have 3 categories, high diet, people are following high diet, medium diet, low diet. So 3 categories. Their lifestyle, that is 4 categories we have, 0 to 3. Athlete, active, moderate and sedentary. So these are the 4 categories. And cholesterol level 3 category we have, high, border and normal. And we can see our input data set. Our input data set cannot cover all the possible data, correct? So you cannot have all the possible combination. So we have only 19 data. Based on this data, we will see how our BBN is working. Now our resultant parameter is heart disease. We have to identify for the given value what is the probability, whether the person will get yes or no, heart disease. So we will open the CSV file. So this is opening the heart disease data.csv and it is stored in one line variable, and we are using a data set variable to store all the data. So here data is one empty list. Now in the data we are appending all the possible data. All our input data is stored in this variable data. And you know that these are the 6 variables we are using. I can show you the full data up to here. 6 and including target. So all the data are taken from 0 to 6. So first 6 variables are concept and the last one is target. Okay. So this line is taking your entire data. Now this is stored, this array is stored in a variable n. So this n we are going to use in our algorithm. So n means the length of the data, entire data's length. So data is our full data in array format, NP array format. So data and n which is used in our algorithm here. So as per Bayesian belief model, we have to construct node. We have to create node. I'll show you the BBN network once again. See, this is the network. The network is constructed by using node, and each node have a probability table depending on its parent. For example, this is the node. Campfire is the node having probability based on these two. So all the possible yes probability and no probability. So like that, each and every node will have a probability table in Bayesian belief model. Based on that probability value, we will inference our result. So we will start with first node age. So BP dot node direct is a distribution like normal distribution, binomial distribution. This is for categorical value. This distribution is used. Okay. So how many age we have? We have 5 different category we have, right? Senior, super senior, senior, middle age, teen, like that we have 5 category. So that distribution is created here. Age is a node. This is the probability table P age, probability of age for all these 5 different category, and here we are creating the categorical node based on our size n. And we observe, that is the inference is formed here for age. Same manner, gender, probability table for gender is calculated for these two combinations. We have male and female combination. Dirichlet distribution forms categorical distribution. Then gender, same thing for n is the size of the data, and inference is observed here. So age, gender, family history, diet we have 3 value, based on that the observation made, and lifestyle we have 4 different category. Cholesterol we have 3 different categories. So all the 6 nodes are formed here. So you can see all the 6 nodes: age, gender, family history, diet, lifestyle, cholesterol. Now node is formed. Now we have to find the probability for heart disease. Now same thing is applied, a direct distribution, categorical distribution. So our heart disease is having only 2 category, yes and no, for these possible input. So here the size is, first node is having 5 combinations, second is 2, 2, 3, 4 and 3. So based on all these combinations, we are finding the probability for heart disease. Okay. So this is applying your multi-mixture model here. Here we are finding the inference from the BBN network. Heart disease equal to BP dot node multi-mixture. So all the inputs are given here. These are the 6 inputs are given. The next line is here all our categorical data and our probability we have to calculate for heart disease. So this is what we are going to do. So we will observe the data, we will update the probability table for heart disease. Now we will take one sample data, sample probability. That data will give, for that data what is the probability, that we will calculate. So we are going to find the probability of heart disease for given this value. So these values are given. That is super senior, a female, already family they have heart disease, and diet is medium, lifestyle is sedentary, and cholesterol is high. So this data is given. Now in that same model, the same line, now we will apply this input, multi-mixture, super senior. Just now we have seen the data, female data, all the data are applied. So up to this the data are applied. Our data are categorical data based on the probability of heart disease node. We are finding for yes probability. What is the probability for yes? The person getting heart disease. So the probability is printed here. The probability is for the given value is 0.73. So this is the given input. Probability of heart disease for given, these are the value. Age is super senior, male, family yes, diet is medium, lifestyle is sedentary, cholesterol is high, probability is this. And we can give our own data and we will check that data. So if suppose you want to give one data with your choice, now I will run the program. So this while m equal to 0 till we come out of this loop. See, by giving 0 will continue, by giving 1 will come out of the while loop. So by giving 1 we can give various input for all this variable and we can check the probability for this. Same thing whatever we have executed in this line given as a variable here based on the given input. So first input is age, I can give 0, means super senior. Again I am giving 0, 0 or 1, diet is medium, lifestyle is 1, cholesterol is 1, borderline. So for this given value, based on the available data, what data we have given in our CSV file, it has calculated the probability 0.5. The inference is made, probability is 0.5. You may not have this combination, whatever the combination is given, but based on the node, the inference is given here. If you want to continue, you give 0. If you want to exit, you give 1. So that's all in BBN. We'll see the next program in the next video. Thank you.